it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today is our first day of sneak peeks for our March releases. So we have some beautiful spring products in store for you. Today I am revealing the first collection that will be in your box of the month for March. This is also the items that are in your junior box. These products will release on March 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. We have a large box of the month. It's a beautiful card making kit that you can purchase as a one-time purchase or subscribe. When you subscribe, you get 18% off. Plus, you get a juicy discount to the shop, so you could use that code all month long and shop to your heart's content. You'll get your box delivered automatically every month. You can follow along with our YouTube videos for inspiration on how to use the products in your box. So today I'm sharing the Butterfly and Blooms collection. It is so pretty. I love the purples, the greens, the yellows, the light blues. It's such a pretty color palette. The beautiful butterflies and flowers in this collection, they're gorgeous. So I'm going to flip through the sheets real quick. We've got a stack of books with flowers. We've got flowers inside of some gardening boots. I love this green color. So pretty. Watering cans with flowers. Love this watercolored plaid. This is a beautiful print with all these beautiful butterflies on there. And then these really pretty Easter baskets. You get 4 of each design. The paper and the ephemera will be listed individually for sale. You can always pick up some extras if you wanted, or just shop a la carte. The stamp sets are exclusive to the box. All leftovers will be listed the following month. I'm going to lay out all the ephemera pieces for you. Let me bring this girl up close so you can check out how beautiful her dress is. Isn't that so wispy and flowy? Take a look at the stamp sets. We've got plant smiles. We have a really cute greenhouse. You can see all the plants through the windows, a hanging plant at the top. We've got 2 cute little bunnies, a pot of flowers, a gardening hat, some gardening gloves, some gardening boots, pots that are stacked up, and 4 sentiments. We've got Crazy Plant Lady, which I think is so funny. Me, my plants, and I. The word garden in a beautiful scripty font. And then we've got plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. Really love that sentiment. And for our second stamp set, it's called Full Bloom. We've got 2 watering cans with different florals popping out the top. We've got a beautiful sentiment here that says, "You are loved, worthy, fearless, beautiful." And then there's a beautiful little flower. We have Live Life in Full Bloom. You're able to color in that little flower that's in the place of the O. The word enjoy will fit inside the can. We've got Spring is Here, which also fits inside. We've got a single flower, Spring Blessings, and Take Care, which will also fit there. So really versatile stamp sets. So today I'm going to create a card using some ephemera, probably the sentiment from the stamp sets, and then some paper from the butterflies and blooms. I'm going to create my cards out of the Easy Wonder Die #1. Now this die was designed by LV Handcrafted, and you are able to pre-order it right now. So if you want to head on over to the shop, get your pre-order in. There's also a class option. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can add the class or decline the class. You can get the introductory class and the advanced class for a discounted price. There's an option to click both. So I'm going to pull out some of these sheets of paper. Let's pull out a couple of patterns. I really, really love that butterfly pattern. I like this one with the florals. And then let's mix that up with this watercolor looking plaid. So I'm going to take my die and place it in the middle of my 6x6 sheet of paper. This is a great way to use up your 6x6 papers. Just run it through a bunch of times and then mix and match all the pieces to create a bunch of cards. So this is all that you have left. This is the only waste you're going to have from your 6x6 sheet of paper, and it's going to cut out all the parts for you. My layouts somewhat laid out how I want them. Then I'm going to use the stamps to create some sentiments here, and I thought the little square that comes out of the die I can cut down and use it as a sentiment strip for the spring blessings. I'm stamping out my sentiments in gray. This is the Memento London Fog. It's got a green tone to it, so I think it's going to look nice with this color palette. I didn't want the black sentiment because the whole card feels very light and airy, light and airy. Okay, let's go ahead and start putting this card together. So let's add our mat down first. I'm going to pop up the girl, so she's standing here on the side. I have foam tape on the back of this banner. I'm going to add it to this side, bring some of that plaid over to the side of the card. I love all the layering here. I could color in this flower or leave it as is. I think I'm just going to leave it. I have the girl popped up on foam tape as well. I'm going to use the new Cherry Blossom Spring Cottage Sparkling Enamel Dots. I think it matches perfectly. These are available in the shop as well. I'm going to use this greenish color. Okay, I'll have 3 there. I could add 1 here, maybe 1 here. I think I'll just leave it off and just do the 3 enamel dots right there. So let's bring this in a little bit closer so you could take a look. All right, so here is the finished card for card number 1. Let's go ahead and work on card number 2. I have my sentiment stamped out in gray, and I'm just going to trim that across with my trimmer. right at the 1 inch mark. And then we could use that as a sentiment. I have my pieces laid out so this looks like a hanging picture frame. So let's add our mat first. Run your mats through an embossing folder for another look. So what do you guys think about the new die? Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. I'm pretty excited about it, so hopefully it sells well and Lynn can do die number 2. And we can have a nice series going for this easy wonder die. This is going to go right down the middle. All right, so let's finish putting this card together. I've got all my pieces here. I'm going to add this element first. Make sure that I want it. Make sure how high I want this. I want it to look like a picture, a frame hanging. So that looks good right about there. Okay, and let's go ahead and pop her over here. Okay, and then we'll get the enamel dots out. Let me use this blue color. Okay, so here's the 2 cards. I added a little bit of glitter to the wings on the butterfly. You probably can't see it on camera. It's that Spectrum Noir glitter brush. It's really faint, but really pretty in person. And I love how this card came out. It looks really, really pretty. Love the colors. And then this one as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll be back tomorrow with the next collection, the next reveal for the March release. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.